Hello, and welcome back to the platform. Deepak, today we are going to embark on a creative journey. We will be using the power of data visualizations to draw a simplified grasshopper using Python, Matplotlib library, and NumPy. At the end of this video, you will not only charming grasshopper drawing, but also a deeper understanding of how code can be used for artistic expressions. Now, to start with this, we will need two things. One, any tool or IDE required for coding, and second, Matplotlib and NumPy library should be installed along with Python. If you want to learn more about Python and NumPy plot, please follow my other playlist, which I will include in description tab. To continue with this, simply right click on this and create Python file. So here I'm giving Grasshopper 2, and after that import two libraries. One, Matplotlib. So here whenever you type your initial word, you will get the word, but here after that I will use pyplot plt. And next library import as import numpy np. So these two libraries will be required for using other attributes of these libraries. So after that, here we will create figure. So here for creating figure, I will specify ax equal to plt.Subplots. So here we'll use this is next grasshopper. Creating grasshopper body, we'll use body plt.Circle because first we have to draw circle and we have to specify the weight as well. So specify 0.5 comma 0.5. Next here we got and 0.3. Next, I want to specify the grasshopper. So for now, we'll just keep green equal to in single quotes. We'll specify green color. The next item have to fill the value. Here we'll use fill equal true so that this should fill the value. This is done. After that, we'll go in next line and write a equal dot underscore h. Within this, we'll specify the body. So this is done for the body. Exactly similar sections will add for the head as well. So let me copy and paste this. Not everything, we'll just keep these two lines for head. For head, we'll again use circle. However, we'll just change this value. So instead of 0.3, we'll just keep 0.1 and color will be green one. Fill through to fine. Here we'll specify this is after that we'll specify our grasshopper length. Here simplified will add here equal to in square bracket will specify plt.Rectangle will select and within this will add the value. The value should be 3. These two are next actions we want to specify the next value. So here we'll add 0.1 comma 0.2 again color equal to single quote green. Again, I want this value to be filled. So here we'll add fill equal to. Now this is done for the leg. So here just added one leg exactly the way with for the second leg as well. So true, we'll copy and paste same thing here in plot rectangle will specify 0, 6, 0, 3, 0, 1, 0, 2, color green. Sorry, true. After that, we'll close this. Next item, your next things that we have to for legs in legs. We'll add for leg in leg functions. We are creating a dot underscore, and within this specify leg. After that, we have to create the base. Similar way we have created for the leg. So I want within this, I want to specify I want the plt.Circle, and within this we will add some value. So here we 4575 to value. After that we'll add their thickness. This is a thickness color. Here you have to specify color in single quotes. We'll keep eyes as black, and will fill the bracket fill equal to exactly similar way will again for the I2. Circle is this and 55, this 1.75, 0.02 black and fill equal to true. After that, their patches AX patch and here both the patches are done. Next, set axis limit. So, and aspects ratio. So here, when you adding axis limit and aspect ratio, we are using a dot, and here will not you then y limit. So first will with x limit. Within this, will specify some limit. And next, exactly same thing. We'll do it for y limit. Just change to this. This is done. After that, we have to specify ratio. So here we'll again use this with one spec in single quote equal, and this table will be equal to box. Now remove access labels and text. So for removing access label and text, here we'll use a dot set and then xtick. Here we'll just add this and exactly same way we'll do it by tick. These two are done. After that we'll add title. So for adding title, simply will title, then this will specify Grasshopper in single quote. This is done. Next item to just write it plt dot. This is done. Like we run this code. Now you can see Grasshopper will be visible. So this is how we can create it Grasshopper using Python library. Let's recap this. We have started with importing Matplotlib library. After that, we have added access figure. Next, we have created body and provide their values, head with values, legs with values, and two eyes. And after that, we have set the limit and aspect ratios and remove the access and provided the title. Okay. So, congratulations. Yeah, just created Grasshopper drawing from scratch using Python library. Remember, this is just the beginning of your creative coding journey. Don't stop your keep exploring the world of programming coding. I encourage you to experiment with your own drawing and explore endless possibility of code-driven art. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your creative friends, and subscribe to Raigurkul channel for more exciting coding adventures. Thank you for joining me today. Until next time, keep coding, keep creating, and keep exploring the world of technology